Welcome to the new website for your networking universe. To find a group, click Find a Group, type in your zip code, the distance from your location, and the industry you're in. Upon submission, you'll find all of the groups that have that spot available. To view members of a specific group, click View Members. To hide, click Hide. If you'd like to apply for a group, click the Apply button here or click Join Now up in the top right corner. To log into your networking universe, you can either use the sign-in form here, or you can use the login at the top of your screen. Use your email as your username and your password that has been emailed to you. And submit. To see your points, you'll look in the light blue. To see your group's points, look in the dark blue. If you're an officer of a group, you'll be able to download a points report, which gives you a CSV of the group's recorded points for the month. To log points, click Log Points. From here, you'll be able to log points appropriately with guests, lead pass, one-on-ones, power partner introductions, the date completed, the details of the phone or of the power partner, and the description of the lead, the one-on-one, or anything else you'd like to record. When you're finished, hit Submit and you'll get confirmation that your point has been submitted, and you'll see it reflected when you view your points. If you'd like to update your profile, scroll down and you'll see a big block where you can add a new password, confirming a new password, your bio, your name, your website, your email, your title, and your phone number. Upon submission, you'll get a confirmation, and you'll then see it reflected under My Profile. For trainings, click on the Trainings tab, and you'll be able to record attendance, access other resources for YNU, and view all of the trainings that YNU has to offer. To pay your dues, click Pay Dues at the top, and it will bring you to a secure Stripe checkout. To log out, click Log Out in the footer. To search for a member, all you have to do is type into the search bar and your results will be populated here. To view more of a member's profile, simply click on their name and you'll be able to view the profile of the person that has been set. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to paige@bloomingpixelcreatives.com or give me a ring at 303-906-1664. Thank you so much. Enjoy using the new site.